Hello guys, if you have been watching different kind of videos on YouTube and you are not really making money online, trust me guys, I'll be showing you the best way for you to make about $500 per week with zero works guys. It is really amazing. If you haven't made a single dime online, this is the best time for you to start making money online. And also, it is 100% free. It also works worldwide. No matter where you're watching this video from guys, it will surely works for you. Okay guys, and also, if you really want to make money online, if you really love money, if you really want to make money online for free, just smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that I will notify you whenever I release any video on how to make money online for free. Also guys, I'm giving out free $50. If you want to be the luckiest winner, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, then comment your PayPal or Bitcoin wallet address at the comment section so that I can send you the $50. Okay guys, for any further ado, let's get back on today's video. Okay guys, can you see right here how I've already promised you that how I'll be revealing how you can able to make big money guys. That's $500 per week. I'm now on the site guys, teespring.com. You can see right here guys, teespring.com. You can see their link right here, teespring.com. This is their homepage. Can you see how it looks like? Find something special, search unique, designed by creative individuals around the world. It is really okay. Let me scroll down and show you how this website really looks like, guys. Can you see right here? How can you see right here, guys? It is really amazing. Can you see right here? But guys, I'll be showing you how you can able to make money online for it. How you can able to make money online for free with the website, and it is really 100% free. You don't need to spend a single dime online for it. Just scroll to the top and also guys, register. You can create a free account. It is 100% free. You can sign up with your Gmail, with your Google account. I've already created mine. This is how it looks like. Can you see right here? After you have created your free accounts, you will be redirected to this page. That is choose your products right here, guys. Can you see? Can you see? Choose your product right here. But guys, after you have created it, you'll be creating different kind of t-shirt designs, guys. Then you'll be reselling it. How the best way for you to resell it is just you can just create maybe a Facebook page or also Instagram account, and and keep on advertising your t-shirt guys using with the help of Teespring. It is 100% free. You only need to design it. After you have designed your t-shirts for free also, then Teespring will do the rest for you. You don't need to bother about the rest, guys. Can you see? You can create unisex men's t-shirts, women t-shirt, hoodies, switch t-shirts, top, tank tops, and lots of more, guys. Even socks, leggings, long sleeve tee, kids and baby, indoor pillow, and canvas print. Also, lots of more, guys. But for the purpose of me revealing this, I want to teach you how you can able to make $500 a week, guys. Just create a Facebook page, guys. Create a Facebook page. You can also run maybe Facebook ads so that that is paid ads, so that you can be able to generate more views and more views instantly. Also, if you have some kind of maybe some kind of let me call it some kind of occasions, because we are now in Christmas period. If you have some kind of festival or occasional period, you can just log on to the website also, then create your best teacher. I also show you how you can able to create it in seconds, guys. You don't need to worry. You can if you also want if you also need help, if you don't know how to create it, I also reveal to you how you can hire someone to create it for you. Also, guys, watch this video to the end, I also reveal to you. I also I'll be giving you some kind of bonus, guys, so that you can be able to make money online for free. Just remember to watch this video to the end so that you won't miss the bonuses. You can see, guys, don't worry if you don't know how to create it. I'll also show you how you can hire freelance to create t-shirt for you. You can see right here. Let's click on this guy, that is unisex men's t-shirt. Just click on the, okay, let's click on this. Start with this. It is really amazing. You don't need to worry about the shipping or any kind of shit, guys. Teespring will do the rest for you. Teespring will do the rest for you. Let me open it in a new tab. Teespring will do the rest for you. Can you see right here? Teespring will do the rest for you. Can you see right here? That's select a unisex men's t-shirt product. You can select anyone from this and start your designs. Can you see? Okay, let me choose anyone. Let me choose this one, that start design. What would you like to do with this? That is, click on sell. You can see right here. This is the plane. You can design it, and also, okay, let me show you how you can be able to hire freelancer for you to do the rest for you. Just log on to Fiverr. You can see right here, Fiverr is one of the most popular freelance sites in globe, guys. You can see the search icon right here. Let me just search and see shirts, t-shirt design, t-shirt design. Let me search on this t-shirt design. You can see right here, guys. You can see right here, just a little bit dollars, guys. People will design it for you. Then you can sell it for thousands upon dollars. You can see right here, I will customize trending t-shirt and clothing design. $10, $5, guys. Really, it is really amazing. If you haven't make money online, this is the best video for you to watch because it actually works worldwide. No matter where you're watching this video from, guys, it will really make it, guys. After you have hired freelancer on this website, you can see there are thousands of freelancer, guys. You can see that can create stunning design t-shirts for you. After you have hired freelancer on this website, after they have also designed it for you, you just on this page right here, that is where you want to create your design. You just click on this, guys, that is add image. Then the t-shirt picture will automatically pump up on this, guys. And also, if you are really professional in design stuff, guys, you can also design it yourself. If you're really professional, guys, you can design it yourself. Can you see? You can change the color. That is the best stunning color. You can change the color. Click on done. You can also type anything on it, guys. You can also type anything on it. It is really, really amazing, guys. Guys, it is really amazing. You can, it is really amazing. Just, I'm not that good in design stuff, guys. I'm not that good in design, but if you're really good about it, guys, if you are really good about it, you can also design it yourself. You can design it yourself, or you can hire freelancer for 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 him to design it for you. And also, after you have designed it, just make sure you can just, maybe you have some kind of occasion ahead, you can just sell it to them. Then you'll be earning commission on this website, guys. You'll be earning commission on this website. After you sell it out, you'll be earning commission. It's not even commission, guys. You'll be earning the actual fees you are selling it, guys. It is really amazing. Then you're good to go. Then also, let me also show you how you can able to promote the bonus I told you about, guys. Um, just okay. Let me um let me go back to my home page. That is guys, just if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, smash the subscribe button. Okay, guys, this is that is merge uh merge Amazon. This is the bonus I want to show you, guys. This is the bonus I want to show you. That's merge Amazon. It is really amazing. Merge Amazon. And on this, I think it's not showing on my. Okay, guys, this is it. This is it right here. Merch Amazon. You can see right here. It is also one of it can also be, most of you will be aware of Amazon. Amazon is one of the most popular marketplace worldwide. Merch Amazon allow you to sell your t-shirts on Amazon. You can see right here. That is after you have designed your t-shirts, or maybe after they have helped you to create your t-shirts here, guys. After you have to create a t-shirt here, you can also sell it on this website, that is on Amazon, guys. Billions upon thousands of people visit their website daily, guys. Can you see how you can be able to make thousands of money, guys? Made by Amazon. We sell your designs as Amazon products, reaching millions of customers worldwide with no upfront investment or cost to you. Just just open a free account on this. Can you see right here? Just some kind of free simple steps. Upload your artwork, set a list price, reprint what sold, fast shipping with Prime, in monthly royalty. It's really amazing. It is really amazing, guys. Just this is the bonus I have for you, guys. And also remember, guys, Amazon is one of the most popular uh, buying websites on the internet right now. Because thousands of people visit their website daily, guys. You don't need to worry about any shit, guys. Just check it out, guys. Just give it a try. If you haven't make money online for free, guys, this is the best time for you to start making money online. Also, guys, smash the like button. If you really enjoyed my video, smash the like button. Smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. Thanks for watching my today's video. Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas, and also happy New Year in advance. See you in 2020, guys. I love you, guys. Okay, thanks for watching my YouTube video. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that I will notify you whenever I release a new video on how to make money online for free. Okay, guys, see you on my next video. ASAP.